This guide will advise you on how to add new users as an administrator on the Probrand Procurement Platform. You can navigate to all areas of the platform from this homepage. In order to proceed with adding a new user, please make sure you are logged in. You will also need to have administration rights on your account. If you are unsure about this, please reach out to your account manager. To access your user management, select Account Settings in the drop-down under your account. Scroll down to your users and click Manage your organization's users. On this page, you will be able to see all of the users in your organization and the roles they have on the platform. Click Add User to give new users access to the platform. Here, you can fill in all the details of your new user. You can also change the roles that these users will have on the platform. As standard, users will be able to raise quotes. You will need to select Purchase in order for them to have the right to make purchases through the platform. By selecting Company Administrator, you will be able to give this new user full administration rights. This means they will also be able to add users and have other administrative roles. Once you have filled in all the details and you are happy with the roles you have assigned to that user, you can then create the user. This will trigger an email to be sent to them to log into the platform. The link in the email will be valid for 24 hours. If you have any queries regarding this process, please reach out to your account manager.